Hello everyone, I'm Rajeshri Sangpal from Mumbai. I have come across Shweta Agarwal. Recently I have attended her free orientation Ho'oponopono, which was conducted for 4 days, and it was very interesting. And I started following her YouTube channel where I found Moksha Path. After I heard about Moksha Path, I don't know how, I didn't even know how to pronounce it, Moksha Path. Then I thought, what is this Moksha Path? I just called Shweta ma'am. She said, you just see this orientation session, which is 1 hour on YouTube. So I just browsed through it. I felt it very interesting. My base was yoga knowledge with Indian philosophy, so I could easily understand the concept of Moksha Path. Moksha Path is based on Vedas. Veda are scriptures. So I'm a person who always wanted to learn new modalities. I have learnt a few healing modalities, which I am already following certain healing modalities in my life. So the energy which we have in ourselves, it may be positive or negative. It is only tapping the energy from universe. So the divine connection with the universe, I feel always I get right direction connecting to universe. I just came across Moksha Path. I thought this is my right call to attend this and learn a new modality. So in my Moksha Path sessions, in the beginning I was little off, like I could not understand, is it right, is it wrong. I was little judgmental. But later on, when we did our practical sessions, it was mind-blowing. The Moksha Path is a small board with 72 numbers, with snakes and ladders, which we played in our childhood, with the dice and goti, can give us answers which may change our lives. It was really very interesting. So when we have done our practices, our soul journeys, it was a very 100% correct knowledge we get. Like we connect to the Moksha Path, and the whole journey was in front of me. So it was really eye-opening. With Moksha Path, we can understand, are we doing right things in our lives? Am I taking right decision? If I'm stuck somewhere, what do I do? How should I move forward? What will I do? In this new era where we have nuclear families, we don't have any elders for our help. I feel this Moksha Path is right in our space, where it is giving us divine help. With this divine connection, we can really have a flow chart in our life where we are moving in right direction, taking right decisions, and having a very beautiful life. So long back I have read a book, Life is a Game, Play It. It was a beautiful book. So that came to my mind. Moksha Path says life is a game, play it. There are snakes and ladders. There are ups and downs in our lives. But in all games, you have to follow the right rules in the game. If you cheat, you will fall down. If you follow dharma, if you are a righteous person, then you will reach your destination. So this is a very pure knowledge, pure divine help. So lastly, I say Shweta ma'am was very kind to give 100% knowledge to us, and she has conducted a live session and promoted us. That was a huge thing what she has done for us. So I recommend everyone to learn this authentic Vedic related Mokshpat modality. Thank you so much.